One mod to rule them all, and in the quest for power bind them. For those who caught that reference, tip my hat to you because I'm a big nerd, so I just thought I'd throw it in there. I think it's kind of funny. We'll be installing stage 1 today with the Accessport. For those who don't know what the Accessport is, pretty much Cobb, along with the Accessport, is probably 98% of the tuning market in Subarus. There are other tuners available, but pretty much everybody you know that's tuned their Subi using Accessport and Cobb software. One thing to note before you can use the Accessport, you have to download the Accessport Map Manager from Cobb. That's just something you keep on your computer, so that way you can update the firmware and such, and do all your map work that you need to. Always keep your Accessport updated. We'll get over here and show you how to install it for those who may not know. And I'll go ahead and say it, Ringlands, you've been warned. It's probably your eviction notice, but we'll just get right into the install.
So as far as installation goes, the Accessport comes with an OBD port connector. You can see it here. This is where your OBD port is. It's as simple as just plugging that connector in and then routing your wire to wherever you're going to mount your Accessport. Mine's up here with the magic mount, suction cup mount. Just wherever you're going to mount your Accessports where you need to route your wires, so as long as you have enough wire to get you back down to that port connector. So we'll go ahead and get to installing the stage 1 map. Now we'll actually plug the Accessport in and get the map installed here. The Accessport comes on, continue, install. Car has to be to the on position. Confirm it's my car, that's correct. And we're going to do stage 1, 93 for me today. Gives you a little prompt saying you're screwing yourself on warranty and all that, so we know that. So continue. Recommends a charger, and I think we'll be all right. Won't take long. Pretty well walks you through it. You seen we had to wait 15 seconds. We'll give it a second there and start it up and see what we got. So there we go. We're running. You can see with the Accessport, got all kinds of parameters and stuff you can monitor. I haven't set it up for anything. My Ringlands are probably going to spontaneously destroy themselves, but hey, that is what it is. So with stage 1 installed there, I'll be doing a review, how it drives, my thoughts on stage 1 as far as that goes. I only did stage 1, I haven't installed the intake yet. I'll do a stage 1 plus, which involves the SF intake also, and give you of course my overall review of that too. The difference between the two may be a little bit different as far as power characteristics and such go, but if you're interested, please stay tuned. I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.